The amount of plastic debris that is entering the ocean has increased over the years. It is significantly dangerous and threatens the marine life such as marine mammals, seabirds, turtles, and fish. This is due to the consumption of the plastic and the marine life getting entangled in loops of submerged debris. The marine life that consume the plastic debris die and become very sick. The marine life that get entangled in submerged debris also die due to lack of movement and starvation. If this continues to happen and more marine life keep dying due to plastic debris, there could be species that start to become endangered as well as extinct. Plastics have many unique properties. They are inexpensive, lightweight, strong and durable. The key problem with plastics is that a massive portion of plastic that is produced each year is used to make short-lived products that are constantly discarded within a year of manufacture. Around 0.2 to 0.3% of plastic production eventually ends up in the ocean, and this is the reason behind plastic pollution and the reason behind the marine life suffering. The underlying cause of the plastic pollution is due to the disregard of rubbish by people. The lightweight and durability of plastic are two positive factors, but once the plastic is seaborne, these two positive factors become two negative factors. Most of plastics are buoyant, and they will remain that way until they become waterlogged. The reason why plastic is affecting the ocean so much is because plastic is not biodegradable. This means that it takes years for plastic to break down, and in some cases, the plastic does not break down. Plastic is buoyant, which means it can easily be carried by ocean currents and transported across ocean basins. There are contaminations stretching from the shorelines to the deepest parts of the sea, from the poles to the equator and the most remote of islands. The plastic is spreading all across the oceans and starting to contaminate remote islands and the poles, with all the plastic that continues to get dumped into the ocean. The influence of plastic on open ocean ecosystems is poorly understood. With plastic pollution piling up, it seems that it is quickly approaching the planetary limit for plastics, if it has not already been reached. Plastics can absorb and transport chemical pollutants or can be toxic in and of themselves. The thought that the ocean may have almost reached its limit for the amount of plastic pollution is a sign that the ocean may start to become dangerous to swim in because of all the pollution that is caused from all the plastic. As marine life live in the ocean, they are the ones who suffer the most from the plastic pollution. Marine debris is an increasing problem for wildlife and has been recorded to affect more than 267 species worldwide. Plastic pollution has been the cause for many marine life deaths. As the marine life is exposed to the ocean all the time, they start to mistake plastic for food. Through photodegradation, plastics only break into smaller and smaller pieces. As the pieces are so small, it is easy for marine life to mistake the bits of plastic for food. Many species of birds, reptiles, and fishes are directly affected by plastics. They can get entangled in ropes and can cause the marine life to drown. The ingestion of plastic also can cause the marine life's stomach to become clogged, which then leads to death. More emphasis needs to be aimed at educating people about the importance of recycling. If everyone was aware of how to recycle and the problems that arise from littering, then the issue of plastic pollution would slowly decrease. The redesign of plastic is another way that the plastic pollution can be reduced. The development of materials resulting from renewable natural resources with similar functions to oil-based products needs to be supported. The last conclusion drawn from the research is removing plastic from the beach by having beach cleanups. This then raises awareness of the problem and is a way to educate people why littering is so dangerous.